Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it is day 13 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn more organized to use in the upcoming year. So this next one is just a quick little tip, and I think a lot of people already know about it, but in case you don't know about it, I wanted to share it with you. So when I am done with a skein of yarn and I have some leftovers, like this is leftovers from a project that I did recently, I always cake up my yarn. When I'm done caking it up, I take the ball band, I wind it up, and I put it down into the middle, so I always know what kind of yarn I have. It's being stubborn, get in there. And the last thing I do is I use one of these little hair clips. I'm gonna hold it up so you can see what kind I'm talking about. They're like these little snap clips. You snap them like that, and they're just little hair clips. And I put them in my yarn ball, or yarn cake rather, just like I would if it was someone's hair. I just slide it in there, snap it down, and now I don't have any end that's going to get loose and get tangled in my other skeins. I always have the other yarn, the feeder yarn, coming out of the top, and you can kind of tuck that down too. But that is my tip of the day to keep your yarn from unraveling. That's what we need, right? We all need to keep ourselves from unraveling. Okay, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. And please let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like me to do a series on. I've got a whole bunch of stuff planned for this year. And until tomorrow, have a great day. All right, bye-bye.